Welcome, my friends, to a review of the 2006 version of Toad. Toad, Oliver's brake van from his Great Western Railway days, came to Sodor with Oliver and Oliver's coach Isabelle in the Railway series, when Oliver was rescued from scrap by Douglas. Toad's wooden railway model was originally released in 1997. However, it had a flaw. Toad is supposed to have the veranda to the back so that the guard can see that direction. You can guess, can't you? The 1997 version was the wrong way around. In 2006, Toad, Oliver, and Scruffy were re-released with new designs. Oliver looking much more accurate, Scruffy being a bit longer and having a removable load, and Toad facing the right way, having a bit more detail, and having a brake lever that could be slid to lock one set of his wheels and have him actually act as a brake van. Pretty nice, huh? If you can find him for a good price, get him. If you can find the 1997 one for a good price and are willing to turn it around, get it. Or get him. Thank you for coming. Please comment.